Can AI help us solve climate change? Imagine a world where devastating heat waves, catastrophic floods, and uncontrollable wildfires become the new normal. Where coastal cities vanish beneath rising sea levels and crops fail at an alarming rate. This isn't the plot of a science fiction movie. It's the future scientists warn is fast approaching, and in many places, it's already here. The climate crisis is knocking on our door with growing urgency. The latest IPCC report makes it painfully clear. We are running out of time. The impacts of climate change are intensifying, threatening not only the planet's ecosystems, but the very foundations of human society as we know it. But what if, amid the chaos, there was a powerful tool that could help us change the course of this story? Enter artificial intelligence, a technology often associated with the future but already shaping our present. AI has the potential to revolutionize our response to the climate crisis, from predicting natural disasters before they strike, to optimizing clean energy systems, monitoring forests in real time, and making agriculture more sustainable. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is becoming one of our greatest allies in the fight against climate change. We'll dive into real-world applications, tackle ethical challenges, and most importantly, show why global collaboration and responsible innovation are key to building a livable future. Stay with us until the end, because what you'll discover might just change how you see technology, the planet, and your role in this unfolding story. The urgency of climate action, the climate crisis, is no longer a distant threat. It's happening now. The latest report from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change paints a sobering picture of our planet's future. If immediate action is not taken, from more intense hurricanes and wildfires to prolonged droughts and flooding, the signs are everywhere. Sea levels are rising, glaciers are melting, and vital ecosystems are under extreme stress. These are not isolated incidents. They are interconnected signals of a planet in distress. What makes this moment even more critical is that the window for meaningful intervention is closing rapidly. Scientists agree that the coming decade will define the future of our climate. Every year we delay action, the harder and more expensive it becomes to limit warming and protect vulnerable communities. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's a humanitarian, economic, and social crisis that touches every corner of the globe. But amidst the alarming data, there is still hope. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the ability to act. And one of the most promising tools emerging today is artificial intelligence. By harnessing the power of AI, we have a unique opportunity to fight back against climate change with speed and precision. AI is a powerful ally in climate strategy. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming how we understand and respond to climate change. What sets AI apart is its unmatched ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, something no human team could do alone. From climate modeling to disaster forecasting, AI is helping scientists detect patterns, anticipate environmental shifts, and simulate future scenarios with impressive accuracy. This matters because accurate forecasting saves lives and resources. For example, AI can analyze satellite images and sensor data to predict wildfires before they spread uncontrollably, or monitor ocean temperatures to issue early warnings for hurricanes. But AI's value goes far beyond prediction. It's also changing how we build solutions. One area where AI truly shines is in energy optimization. It can balance power supply and demand on smart grids, making renewable sources like solar and wind more reliable. AI-driven systems also enhance energy efficiency in buildings, manufacturing, and transportation, significantly reducing carbon footprints. In agriculture, AI helps farmers make data-driven decisions that conserve water, reduce pesticide use, and increase crop yields. These are not futuristic concepts, they're real, practical tools being used today. With AI, we're not just reacting to climate change, we're anticipating it and building smarter responses. But to scale these solutions globally, we must invest in infrastructure, education, and ethical innovation. Real-world success stories of AI for climate across the world. AI is already making a difference in the fight against climate change. In Europe, AI systems help optimize the positioning and operation of wind farms by analyzing wind flow patterns, terrain data, and historical output. The result? More efficient energy generation and reduced reliance on fossil fuels. In Iceland, machine learning is being used to enhance carbon capture and storage by identifying optimal underground rock formations to trap CO permanently. In agriculture, AI-powered drones and sensors are helping farmers monitor soil health and detect pests early, reducing the need for harmful chemicals and preserving biodiversity. Platforms like IBM's Watson and Microsoft SAI4 Earth are empowering researchers and environmental organizations with tools to analyze ecological data at unprecedented speed and scale. Forestry is another area where AI shows promise. Machine learning models trained on satellite data can detect illegal logging activities and monitor reforestation efforts in real time. This helps combat deforestation, one of the largest contributors to climate change. Even in the financial sector, AI is being used to guide climate-conscious investments. By analyzing environmental impact metrics and ESG scores, AI tools help banks and asset managers allocate funds to sustainable projects. This flow of green capital is essential for accelerating the transition to a low-carbon economy. Each of these examples proves that AI is not a distant dream. It's a powerful ally already reshaping how we tackle climate change. But like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it and who gets to use it. Challenges and ethical considerations. While AI holds immense promise, it's not without risks. One of the biggest concerns is bias in the data used to train AI models. If the data is incomplete or skewed, the AI may produce inaccurate or unfair results, especially when applied in vulnerable communities. For example, an AI system trained only on data from wealthy countries may not perform well in low-income regions with different environmental and social dynamics. There are also questions around transparency. Many AI algorithms function as black boxes, making decisions without a clear explanation. This lack of accountability can erode trust, particularly when AI is used to influence public policy or allocate resources. Additionally, the energy demands of large-scale AI systems, especially those based on deep learning, can themselves contribute to emissions if not powered by clean energy. Equitable access is another pressing issue. Advanced AI tools are expensive and often concentrated in the hands of a few tech companies in wealthy nations. Without efforts to democratize access, AI could widen global inequalities rather than bridge them. To address these concerns, we need strong governance, international cooperation, and a commitment to ethical AI development. AI should not replace human decision-making, it should enhance it. Guided by principles of fairness, transparency, and justice. Only by embedding these values in AI design can we ensure that the benefits of this technology are shared widely and responsibly. A call to collective action and hope. Now more than ever, we need unity. The climate crisis is a global challenge that demands a global response. Scientists, engineers, governments, businesses, citizens must come together to harness AI's full potential for climate action. This is not just about technology, it's about collaboration, vision, and courage. Policymakers must create frameworks that support responsible AI development and encourage green innovation. Tech companies must prioritize transparency and accessibility. Scientists must continue refining AI models with diverse, high-quality data. And the public must stay informed and engaged, pushing for solutions that are inclusive and just. Education and awareness are key. People understand the role of AI in fighting climate change. They are more likely to support policies and initiatives that use it wisely. We must demystify it not as a magic wand, but as a tool that in the right hands can build a better world. Despite the challenges, there's reason for hope. With AI, we can monitor our planet in real time, adapt more quickly to change, and transition to sustainable systems faster than ever before. If we act boldly and responsibly, AI can help us write a new chapter, one where innovation meets compassion and progress serves the planet. The future is still in our hands. Let's use every tool we have to shape it wisely.